So you found your lot and you've decided on a floor plan with AR Homes. Now comes the fun part, the selection process. I am here at the AR Homes Design Studio, and we're going to be shown around by the designer some of your choices that you can make when building your home. So today I'm here with Kirsten with AR Homes, and she's going to tell us a little bit about the design process. So somebody that bought their lot, they decided on a floor plan, and the fun part, deciding on finishes. How does that process go, Kristen?
So the process of our color session is held here in our studio. They come in here during their pre-start process. So the pre-start process is usually the first 3 months after they've gone to contract. That's when we are working on getting their plans, their anything needed to build in the communities where they are building, as well as making all the finished selections. So part of that process is they come in for 2 days and they work with me and we make all of the finished selections for their home.
What finished selections and what all does that include? What's the scope of that?
The scope of that is we're going to go through each room independently and we're going to design all elements that involve finishes, colors, and materials. So we're going to talk through their cabinets, we're going to talk about their cabinet profiles, their cabinet finishes, we're going to talk countertops, we're going to talk plumbing, sinks, faucets, tiles, cabinet hardware. So we go through all the details associated for each room and we systematically work our way through the house making those decisions.
I can see why it takes 2 days.
It does, it does. It's a labor-intensive process, and we also capture other details. We talk about their fireplaces and their staircases and all of those details. So in addition to kitchens and bathrooms, it's what their door handles are throughout all their house. So there's a lot to do, but it's a very, very fun part of the process.
Yeah.
When we make our faucet selections, we're often talking finish, style. Are we modern? Are we transitional? What functionality do you want? Do you like having a single hole faucet that's easy to use, or do you want the functionality of hot and cold? So having done this for Arthur Ruttenberg for about 12 years now, I've learned the things that people are looking for. So I always kind of tell certain notes of how products work and how it may live once they're actually in the home. But we talk through all of the components of their showers and bathrooms, and again, the functionality of those products.
Gosh, there are a lot of details.
It's a custom home.
Yeah, a custom home. There you go. These are some beautiful faucets.
So the tiles that you see here are what I consider our decorative tiles. So these are where I kind of consider them the jewelry of the house. They can be used in your backsplash. They can be used as accents in your showers. They can be used, we even use some on accent walls and powder baths. So this is more that fun splash of how can we add color, pattern, and texture. And then down on the bottom 2 rows are our countertops. So countertops, we're using lots of natural products as well as quartz products, which are man-made, but lots of wide varieties. We're seeing lots of different colors trending, patterns trending. So we always like to have everything that's on trend these days.
That's nice. Now, do you only focus on the interior, or do you help with the exterior
We
as
do
well?
the exterior as well. So we will make all the exterior finish selections. We actually often do that a little bit earlier in the process because most of the communities that we build in require us to submit those colors along with their plans to get approval to build. So we will help them pick their all of their exterior materials in order to work through that process.
So this is the exterior, some of the exterior selections somebody can make.
Yes.
So you've got roofing, stone. I assume you have.
So in addition to the roofing and stone, these are probably 2 of the big elements, but a big element of an exterior is simply paint color. So we're often just looking at a color wheel. So we typically use Sherwin-Williams paint colors, but we will talk through all the details of what materials are what color, what trim, what color are your windows, what color are your gutters, color are your garage doors. So there's a lot of details that go into the exterior. They're often small finished samples, but these are the larger samples that we use.
So I'm absolutely awful at envisioning a final product. Are you helpful in that nature?
Yes. So again, having done this for a long time, I've got a lot of photographs of homes that we've built before that reference all the materials that are used. And also with our 3D process, we can then take your colors and put them onto your floor plan. Now it's still a computer generated, so it's not exactly this stone, but we can get something that's a similar shape and a similar color and kind of tweak where you may have a light color or a dark color, so you can get a visual of the home in the colors that we select. We also do that with the interiors as well. So if a client wishes, we can do full interior design services, so we can help with furniture, furniture placement, window treatments, drapes. So not everybody opts to do that, but we do have all of that at our fingertips in our studio.
Well, I want to thank you for your time today, Kirsten. Again, we are at the AR Homes Design Studio. I'm Cricket with Asheville Luxury Brokers. Had some fun today.